So hello there guys, today welcome back to a Scratch tutorial, and in this Scratch tutorial we are going to make a text-to-speech app. So how to do it? It is like the camera video how I done about a long time ago. So you can see you have to do the same except click in this button, and as you can see you are in the choose an extension screen. And then you have to, from this option, choose text to speech. Make your project talk. It requires internet. So now let's click over here and let's maybe grab a green flag. And let's grab the speak hello. So let's run it.
Hello.
So as you can see, it said hello. So that's good. So then let's maybe drag it and say, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
As you can see, it said it. So let's maybe say, I'm fine. And also you can set to different voices. But let's drag a set voice to alter it. And before the I'm fine, let's maybe grab tenor.
Hello. How are you? I'm fine.
So it changes that voice, so that's great. So let's maybe grab another speak block and set it to alto, and let's maybe say me too. And
hello, how are you? I'm fine. Me too.
Yep. You can also set language, so now we are also going to be learning about broadcasting, but we are not going to go into too deep. Let's grab the broadcast, new message. Let's maybe call this French. Okay, and let's set language to French. And let's duplicate this, remove this, and add a when I receive French. So let's see.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Me too.
Okay.
Hello, how are you? I am fine. Me too.
Okay then. This is it for the video. Yes, this is another Scratch Quick. So see you guys next time. Goodbye.